So I'm testing out a new variable pitch prop that I bought, and at the moment I've got the pitch set to 9.5 degrees, and it's a bit of a guess, but I'm expecting to have a really low cruise RPM to save on fuel, and I'm just testing it out to see how it goes. So one of the other things I'm testing here is the audio settings on the Bluetooth backpack that goes on the GoPro. So in this footage I've got the switch set to mic on, which takes into account the ambient microphones of the GoPro plus the boom mic, and as you can hear there's a bit of an echo.
Alright, you say when you're ready.
Yep, go.
Takes in a lot of motor noise, which is really good, but it makes it difficult to hear the boom mic audio.
Lay this wing out.
Okay, today I've changed the pitch down to 8.5 degrees, and we'll see how that goes.
Haven't done a forward for ages. But not blow it. Clear prop. Might have to get back further, bro. I'm not that good.
This setting I've got the mic switch set to off, and that means it just takes audio from the boom mic.
Beautiful sky behind you, so it's going to look good.
Yeah.
And as you come past, I'm going to try and get you silhouetted.
Oh, okay. There's 10 degrees more to get. Okay, here we go.
Looking good, looking beautiful.
So we're fully trimmed out, and we've got 170 degrees temp, and I think I'm still slightly climbing, doing 6,900, 2519. Pretty much straight and level at 7,000. Oh, yep. No wind here at all, doing 31 knots over the ground. Well, we're at the turnaround point. We've come, fair way, half an hour doing 30 knots. So we're just past Collector, almost to Biz Place. And I think we're turnaround now. I've got my tip steering here. Let's stand to the left. Make it a lefty turn. Here we go. And there's the windmill. Not turning too fast, thank God for that. And there's Collector. And we're on our way home. And apparently it's going to take 20 minutes. We're doing 34 knots over the ground. So we're about to finally turn around for the second time because I got back a little bit too early. So I was doing 38 knots over the ground on the way back, and I had 10 minutes for that. So you can see the road going up the hill there. That's where the cars are parked. Yeah, back to 38 knots over the ground. Woohoo! And according to this, we got 5 minutes left. Woo! It's bumpy going this direction. I don't know why, but it is. Like the cruise at about 6,800 revs, fully trimmed out, 170 degrees temp. Really happy with that. And I can see Andy in the air. Andy, I meant Anthony. Wonder how his chase cam's going. 5 minutes to 8 o'clock and 3 minutes 33 remaining. Good timing. So I'll trim back in. All the way in. There we go. Fully trimmed in. And 2762. Yeah, 5400. Well, we'll just stow the phone to the landing. Looks like we've got a nice couple of knots on the ground, still from the south. Or is it from the east? That says from the south, the other one says from the east. For fuck's sake. A bit high. I think I'm going to approach from the other side. Yeah, the chase cam's working nicely, I think. Here we go, bit of a southeasterly. Here we go, steady as she goes. And round out and flare. Fucking skidded like I'm on skis. Woohoo! That was friggin' awesome. Put the motor down and I'll go get that wing so Anthony can land. Here we go. Committed now. Look at that. Bit better than mine. Okay, we started off with 9 litres. Holy snapping. And we've got 1.5 left.